If you ever wondered, is your carpet too dirty to clean? Well, I'll show you a good example of one that's too dirty to clean. Hi everybody, my name is Eric Coleman with Columbia Carpet Cleaning, and I'm inside an apartment right now that a property manager called in, and they were worried that the carpet was too far gone to clean. So we're in here now. The carpet's in rough shape, but we're gonna give it our best shot. A couple things that are working against us here is that there's no power in this unit. So we've got some kind of stronger stuff that we can do in terms of cleaning the carpet, but we can't use them without power. So we're gonna have to kind of do it the old-fashioned way, and we'll show you that process and what it looks like. Quite honestly, I'm not sure if these carpets will clean up or not, but the rental property manager wanted us to try, so here we are doing it, and we'll show you the results we get here in a little bit. So I'm outside now, my guys are inside cleaning, and I just kind of want to show you what we would use if we had power in this unit. Like I said, we don't have power, so that means we can't vacuum and we can't use our RX20. And this thing is a beast. What it is basically it spins around real fast, and it's got 6 different heads on it. And it's basically like having 6 carpet cleaning wands, just kind of spinning around and getting multiple passes on the carpet in a short amount of time. So it's super aggressive. It's super great. We don't use it on every homeowner's job just because of how aggressive it is, but for carpet like this where it needs some heavy duty muscle, it's a great tool to have. So we'll go in and see how my guys are doing, see how that carpet's cleaning up. And like I said, I'm a little worried that it's not going to clean up, but you know, not all carpet's going to. There's going to be times when carpet needs to be replaced. There's definitely going to be traffic patterns, but I'm hoping that we can get a lot of that dirt and grime out, and maybe they can get another year out of their carpet or so. Now there are a couple, there's a burn in the carpet there. That's obviously not coming out. This was a big old thing of wax that we've been scraping and trying to heat up. But again, we don't have power in this unit, so you know, our hands are kind of tied a little bit in terms of what we can do, how aggressive we can get. So most likely that stain's not coming out. That blue is going to be in there. If we had power, we could probably use our iron and use some chemicals to kind of hide that stain a little better, but like I said, we got to do what we can with the situation we're in. A couple dark spots that aren't coming up, so we're going to use some little extra chemical, some spotters on them, see if we can get them to lighten up a little better. So David's working some spotter into the carpet on some of these darker spots that didn't come up with just our pre-spray. And we're going to give that a shot, give it another pass, and see if we can't make them look a little better. Yep. All right, so my guys just finished up, and we'll go inside and show you how things cleaned up. Looks a whole lot better. Now you can still see there's some dark area going through here. What that is, that's just the traffic pattern. So years of not vacuuming the carpet, basically that dirt and grime just gets grounded in. So where you see they walk in and out, you can see a little bit of a gray, but man, it sure cleaned up pretty nice for what it was looking like before. That is for sure. So You know, if you're a rental property and you've got some carpet that you don't think is going to clean up, we might be able to get you another year or two out of it. All right, my guys are all done. Ryan, David, you did a good job.
Thank you.
They're off to the next one. Have a good one.